Okay guys, so before we even get started, I just wanted to apologize that this video is really short because it was just a lot going on. And two, I wanted to see if you guys are interested in me doing vlogmas because I definitely wasn't going to, but now I'm like, maybe I will. So comment down below, let me know what y'all think. Enjoy this short ass little video. Y'all, it's Thanksgiving. What? This is crazy. Anyways, happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be vlogging my Thanksgiving dinner that I'm having at my house. I'm doing things very untraditionally this year. I'm not going back home, and I'm having my couple close friends come by for dinner, and I'm making like, I'll show you the menu later, but anyways, if you guys are new here, hi, my name's Sam. Welcome to my channel. I look a hot mess, but we gonna get it together later on today. Don't trip. But if you notice that my eye is red, I don't have pink eye. I like punctured my eye a couple days ago and it's on the healing process. So yeah, but anyways, right now I'm currently boiling some yams and the mac and cheese is done. We gotta work on the collard greens. So we're having, I am pescatarian, so I don't eat meat. So I'm gonna do fried fish, fried shrimp. I might get some salmon as well. Collard greens, mac and cheese, candied yams. I wanna make some mashed potatoes and gravy as well. And then I'm having my friends bring dessert. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at SamAlexandria. And let's get it started. I did do a couple things last night. Well, not a couple, I did a lot last night, y'all. I went to the seafood market, like the Asian seafood market, Seafood City, and I wanted fresh catfish. So I bought catfish, and like you have to, you know, get the whole fish, right? And then they clean it and cut it for you. So I thought that I was about to get a fillet, but I didn't ask for that. I asked for them to clean and cut it, and they cut the fish into 3. So I had the fish head and all this stuff that I had to like skin and clean. It just was a mess. I barely got any meat off the fish. I'll show you guys a little bit of clips of what last night was looking like, but I did finish. But I did finish the mac and cheese last night. I cleaned the greens, and I got the shrimp with the heads on it because I'm dumb. So I had to clean and cut and devein the shrimp too. So a lot was done last night, so that today will be a little bit easier to do things. So let's get back in the kitchen. I hear my yams bubbling. All right, so the yams are cooking. The greens, these are the greens I cleaned and everything last night. The mac and cheese is in the oven. Yeah, so I still gotta make the candied yams, still gotta make the greens, still gotta make the mashed potatoes. The kitchen is a mess, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit so it's not too much of a mess as I'm continuously going. And I'll come back to you guys in a little bit. All right, y'all, so I got all the greens cut up in here. I have my yams all boiled, about to peel them and cut them up. I have mustard and collard greens because that's how my mom does hers. I don't eat meat, but I need some type of meat flavor, so I'm gonna use bacon because I felt like that would be the easiest to pick out. So I'm cooking up the bacon right now, and we're about to start the greens process. I'm excited. Ron, say happy Thanksgiving. I'm in the process of cooking the greens right now. Everything's just a mess over here. So yeah, Alondra is on her way. Y'all know Alondra if you've been watching my videos for a while now. Oh, I hate when the cabinets are open. But she's gonna help me finish up the cooking, and hopefully she can help me clean up a little bit too. And then I still need to go to the store and get some things. So yeah, but it is almost noon right now. And I told people not to come till 3, so I still have time, we're good. All right, y'all, this is about to go in the oven. That's the candied yams. We got the mac and cheese. Ooh. And the greens. Okay, we doing the Dougie. Oh. Y'all, I already killed my first plate. I forgot to film when I was done cooking, but let me show you guys what we got going on. When you got drunk for the first time. These are my guests. Guys, say hi. We just put Daisy on, sorry, I'm supposed to be vlogging. We just put Daisy on the spot.
Like, now I don't know
about what she's thankful for, because we all said what we were thankful for earlier. She'll know. That's fine.
I'm just thankful for life itself.
I love that.
That's right.
I love that video.
Facts.
I was, because it's 2020.
Fuck 2020.
Who's thankful? You think we were supposed to be like, they were like, here's 2020, and we were supposed to be like, thank you. Like, no, motherfucker.
Yeah. You ran through my mind, it's like I'm on the freeway. Yeah, baby. You